Welcome to our science class. I am Mrs. Genevieve Federico, your science teacher. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to give the exact position of a particular place with regards to latitude and longitude. To do that, we will going to discuss about the geographic coordinates. So let me start first by defining what a geographic coordinate is. A geographic coordinate is either of the two lines of latitude and longitude whose intersection determines the geographical point of a place. So using the geographic coordinates, we can be able to give the specific position of a place with regards to the latitude and longitude. Now ready to learn about the geographic coordinates? If you do, let us have this as an example. Okay, so let's have this question. What is the geographic coordinate of a specific place in Asia with star? Now ready? So let us have this as an example. Let us try to identify the geographic coordinates of a starred place at the continent of Asia. And we are going to look for this one. As to determine the coordinates of a place where we look for, it is important that we know the location of the equator and the prime meridian, for they are the reference of our latitude and longitude. Remember that both imaginary lines are found at the center of the globe where it gives a measure of 0 degrees. Now that we have already identified the position of the equator and the prime meridian, we will now identify the degree of latitude and longitude of a place where we look for. Remember that latitudes are imaginary lines that lies horizontally and longitude lies vertically. The point of intersection of the lines of latitude and longitude is the place where we're looking at. With that, we can now read the degree measures of both latitude and longitude. Since the line of latitude lies along 40 degrees and it is directed to the northern hemisphere, so it gives us a reading of 40 degrees to the north for the latitude. And for the longitude, since the line lies at 100 degrees and it is directed at the eastern part, so it gives us a reading of 100 degrees east. Already identified the degree measures of latitude and longitude. Finally, we will now combine the coordinates. Remember that in writing the geographical coordinates, we will first write the degree of latitude followed by a comma, then a degree of longitude. And that's it. That is now the exact location of a place where we look at. So I hope that you've learned something from our lesson for today. Thank you.